Hi everyone, this is Ms. Walters, your ELA teacher. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through our course navigation in this video. Right now I am on my Canvas dashboard and you can see that I have ELA and social studies on my dashboard. I teach ELA and both social studies here at Randolph, and you have me for ELA. So we're going to click into the ELA Canvas course. Okay, here we are at our home page. Okay, I have already updated this info on here for links below for Zoom and our daily slides for ELA. So the two links for Zoom, so there's one right here for you to access our Zoom. You'll click that at the beginning of your block. And there's also click here to access our daily slides, and that has our agenda and things that we have been over today and will be throughout the rest of the year. So remember, you click that, it takes you to our ELA daily slides. Okay, we went over this today, and all the links and everything are here within this slide. Okay, so you know where to go, and for the links on the About Me slides, the Parent Canvas Observer app, the parent conference information, everything is there that we went over today with the links included. Okay, so if we scroll down and we have this table, okay, here is how to navigate our Canvas course. So we have live lessons. Click this button to access Zoom link schedule and daily slides. Grading, click this button to access grading policies. Teacher information, click this button to contact me. Canvas navigation, click this button for Canvas support. Support, click this button if you need help with your technology. Digital citizenship, click this button for tips, and then enter here this button to access our daily materials. So whenever we start our content, you'll be able to click the enter here button and access our daily materials. We are not there yet, okay? So this week we're getting to know each other, but whenever we start our content, I'll be sure to tell you where to go to access our daily materials. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to click live lessons, okay? And I showed you this in Zoom, and I'm going to go over it again. So this is my live lesson schedule. I have your schedule for 6th grade located on here. I also have the Zoom and daily slides linked again here. It is also located on the home page, so you don't have to click on here, okay, unless you would like to click here to access the Zoom or look at our schedule, but the Zoom link and the daily slides are now located also on my home page. So you can get them the first time whenever you sign into our Canvas. I also have a few Zoom reminders located below, so be sure to read through those at some point. We're going to go back to the home page. We're going to scroll back down. Okay, we're going to go back to our buttons here. So next we have grading. So if you want to click this button to look at grading, okay, you'll click here for our 6th grade ELA syllabus. All of the ELA teachers are here on our 6th grade syllabus. You only need to worry about me, Ms. Walters. All of our course information, grading policies, everything that is included in our Canvas course, okay, it's here in our syllabus. So please take the time to go over the syllabus whenever you can. And remember, that is here under grading. Okay, we have Canvas navigation. Let's click there. So click the link below to access a resource to help you navigate Canvas. So there's a student resource for Canvas support and navigation. If you need that, you can click that. We're going to go back home. Okay, next we have our support button. So if you need any support resources through CMS, it is all here. Okay, technology, meal, translation, our CMS website, everything like that is under our support resources. Okay. All right, we are going to click our teacher information button here and click this button to contact me. Okay, so I'm going to go over this page. I will be on Zoom daily. based on the provided RMS schedule. Please check in on Zoom first for attendance and review the agenda on the daily slides, and the slides and the Zoom link are located on our homepage. So whenever you get onto our Canvas, that's the first thing that you'll click and you'll see it right there on the homepage. Students, if you need support outside of your class time, please send me a Canvas inbox message or send me an email. If you send me if you send me a message through Canvas, it will automatically send to my email. Okay, so it automatically links, so I'll be able to read your message through my email. Parent, guardian, a weekly e-blast is sent out on Fridays. Please be on the lookout for this email as it contains RMS information, helpful links, and team updates. Also, please actively check Canvas for assignments, due dates, and content information. You can become an observer on this Canvas by clicking here. So if you click here, it takes you to a PDF of step-by-step of how to set up as a Canvas parent observer. We went over that with our students today, so they should be able to help you on how to set up your Canvas parent observer. Also, please, parents/guardians, if you could also click here to add your email to our weekly e-blast, that would be really appreciated by all of us. If you can please fill out this form just so that we can have your email address and you can be included on that e-blast. Okay, I'm going to go back home. Okay, and the last thing here is digital citizenship. Okay, so I will link different resources and access whenever we start on our digital citizenship. That will be later on, and that will all be here. I'll tell you where to go, and this will help you on becoming a more responsible digital citizen, and it's important for your success here in the new digital world. Okay, I'm going to go back home. Okay, again, on the home page, I've located the Zoom and the daily slides here, the first thing that you see on the home page. Okay, so they are here with the Zoom passcode. But if you automatically click on this Zoom link, it should take you straight to the meeting into the waiting room, and then I will let you in, and then you can click here to access our daily slides. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm super excited to have you in my classroom and getting to know you this year. Okay, thank you so much.